Okay, you're doing very great, babe. Please open your mouth for me for the last time, will you? Babe, last na, I promise. Look, oh, ubos na yung laman ng bowl mo. Isang subo na lang to. Babe, you have to eat this much para makainom ka na ng meds mo because if you don't, hindi ka gagaling. Hey, huwag ka nang makulit. You need to rest. I've already told your bandmates na that you won't go to your practice today. Babe, ayan ka na naman. Yeah, I know it's hard to swallow dahil swollen yung lymph nodes mo. You know naman kasi that your body reacts badly whenever you're getting soaked in the rain tapos pinilit mo pa. Yeah, I know na nabasa ka ng ulan kagabi. Well, kasi sinumbong ka sa akin ni Teo kanina when I called them para ipagpaalam ka sana and he said na nag-insist ka daw na bumiyahe kahapon despite the heavy rain. Ayan tuloy, tingnan mo yung consequence. May sakit ka ngayon. Well, no, hindi kita inaaway, babe. But to be honest, naiinis ako sa'yo. Eh kasi naman, you're not feeling well na nga tapos ayaw mo pa uminom ng gamot. Alam ko naman na you don't like meds. It's bitter, oo. Well, ako din naman. I don't like the bitter taste of the meds. Look, see, I even bought you this. It's a berry, okay? It's called Miracle Berries, babe. It'll block the bitterness of the meds na iti-take mo. Well, I'm not sure if it also works sa meds, pero it blocks both bitter and sour taste daw as per Google and the market itself. So, there's no reason naman in believing that, right? Hey, stop. No laying down for now. You can rest after taking the meds, babe. Huwag ka na makulit. Guys, kaya nga open your mouth na because you need to finish this noodle soup pa. Stop being stubborn, will you? Aish, should I force you more o gusto mo pa na mag-resort ako sa ibang ways? Hey, nonsense. I won't do that. Kadiri. Well, hindi naman talaga kadiri. We've kissed before pero ayoko mahawa so never mind. It's so unbelievable na naiisip mo pa yan despite your state. What's funny? Huwag mo kong tawanan na walang nakakatawa. Ash, open your mouth na, isa. Ana babe, nakaka-stress ka? Ayan, ganyan. Very good. At last, you're acting your age, being obedient as you should. Now, take one of this, bite and swirl it in your mouth before you swallow, okay? Ayan, ganyan. Now, we need to wait for 10 minutes before you take the meds. Okay, so I'll set an alarm para aware tayo sa oras, okay? While we wait, mag-lay down ka na muna. Pero huwag ka matutulog ha. It's forbidden for now, okay?
Wake up, motherfucker!
Babe.
I said, wake up,
Babe.
motherfucker!
I told you not to sleep, did I? Pasaway ka talaga, no? You need to sit upright. Aalalayan kita. Hold tight on me, okay? There you go. Ha? Anong masakit? Saan masakit? I know, babe. Everything hurts. But everything will be gone after we take your meds and rest enough, okay? So makinig ka sa akin. Huwag ka na makulit. Okay, let's do this. You take this feel. Do it when you're ready, okay? No rush, babe. You can take your time. I'm so proud of you, babe. You did great. Eh? More praise. Na-praise na kita ng sobrang dami ah. Oh, that one. Fine, fine. Well, that's my boy. Ang corny. Ay, wait. The pill. Did it taste sweet or what? Nag-work ba yung berries? Whoa! So it really worked. Ang galing naman. Kiss? Ba't naman bigla kang gumaganyan? What a pervert you are. You know that my lips taste sweet even without that. Hey, magtigil ka nga diyan. I won't kiss you. Cut it out. Ayoko mahawa sa'yo, kadiri. Now I'm thinking na magaling ka na agad dahil nakakabanat ka na ulit ng ganyan. Psst, mag-rest ka na. Fine, fine. I'd cuddle with you. Huwag mo lang akong uubuhan sa mukha pag ako nahawa sa'yo. Spooning? Ang dami mo namang gusto. Papayag lang ako dahil may sakit ka Fine. Of course, I'll be the small spoon. Lagi naman ako, diba? Bigyan mo ako ng space. Dumasog ka doon. Dito ako sa side na to Babe, move pa ang sikip. Lambot ng kutsyon. Inaantok tuloy ako. Ang init-init mo pa pala. Para tuloy akong niyayakap ng apoy. Anak ng toko yung kamay mo Diyan lang yan. Huwag mo ikagalaw. Fine, fine. Basta wag lang gagapang yan Tatamaan ka talaga sa akin pag naramdaman kong gumapang yan kung saan-saan. Hindi ako aalis. No worries, just close your eyes. Kanta. Ayoko nga. You're really enjoying this, are you? Gamit na yung C-card mo Fine, but I don't know any lullaby. I want to sing Ili-Ili daw, nakakatakot yun. Ginamit yun sa horror movie. Wait. May alam pa pala ako yung... I didn't know the title, pero kabisado ko yung mismong lullaby. Okay, come closer. Close your eyes din Shh. Huwag ka na magsalita. Ang dami mong sinasabi. Good. Ganyan lang Bawal din tumawa. Pag tinawanan mo ko, sisipain talaga kita kahit may sakit ka. Okay, I can do this. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, fur, fur, fur. Okay, I'll sing it one more time, okay? Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, fur, fur, fur. Babe, kising ka pa? No answer. Fall asleep that fast, Cute. At last, nakatulog na rin ang kumag. Good night, babe.